to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jasmine. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so and give it a big thumbs up as soon as we're done with this video. So 4th of July is going to be here within a couple of days, so I just wanted to make sure I uploaded this video on time so you guys can try it on. So it's going to be similar to the color that I did on my Instagram picture, but I'm going to twist it a little more different. So I really do hope you guys enjoy these. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and applied some tape on the side of my eyes, and in order to start out with this eyeshadow, I went ahead and applied some eyeshadow primer, and this is from Wet n Wild. So I just want you guys to know exactly what type of products I use, and I will also link it down on the description box as well. So I already, like I said, I already applied the eye primer on my eyes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my fluffy brush. I'm going to go ahead and use some lighter shade, and I'm going to be using this color right here, and I'm just going to apply that on top of the crease. What I do is use the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be using this red eyeshadow, and I'm going to simply apply that in the outer corners of the eye. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this Profusion blush, and it's a 6-color palette shadows. And I'm gonna be really honest with you, I have not tried these, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. As you guys can see, it's still sealed, and I'm just gonna apply these on my cheeks and see how well it is. And this wasn't really expensive. It was really cheap. It was like $5, I think, and I got this at Target. So as you guys can see, the colors, they look really nice, and I just can't wait to try these on. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these on the apple of the cheeks and blend this and see how well it looks. So I'm gonna grab this brush right here. I really don't have a lot of brushes, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab these Lush color and apply these. Now you can see a lot of shimmery right there. So let's see. I don't know if you guys can really tell, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. And this looks really nice. Now I'm really ignorant to these. I don't know how to apply them well. Now I'm gonna use these, where is it? This playful color right here. I'm gonna apply that as well. I just wanna see how the colors look. Wow, look at that. It's really nice and beautiful. It looks like a highlight, but I like it. And remember, this is the playful shade. Oh my gosh, I really love this. For $5, it wasn't even that bad. I just had to try it on and share with you guys. All right. And for the last thing, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink on the red color, and this is number 20 in Pioneer. I do hope you guys enjoyed this 4th of July makeup tutorial. I really did honestly enjoy it. I really like it. I like how it came out. Now, I'm not a big fan of the red lipstick, but I'm actually wearing it because I think this is a proper color for 4th of July. So I really recommend you guys purchasing this Profusion blush palette. Is really nice. I like the way it looks on me, so you guys might want to check it out. It wasn't that expensive. I got these in Target. Like I said, it was only like $5, so I really recommend that. Wish you all to have a great 4th of July with your family and friends. Be safe out there, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.